In this video, we're going to dive into this AI powerful website called Murf. So Murf.ai is an AI powered text-to-speech generator that lets you create a realistic human sounding a voiceover. It's like having your voice studio at your fingerprint. With Murf, you can easily add narrations to videos, presentation, podcast, and more without hiring a professional voice creator. And here are the key benefits of this platform. They offer a studio quality voice of about 120 plus voice in 20 different country languages. And also they offered a AI voice cloning with a voice changer which transform your video, which transform your voice recording into a unique voice. And also it comes with a video editing tools which combine video or voice over with the video, and also a collaboration features which works on projects with others, and an API access which is provide and integrate Murf AI with other apps. And here's the pricing list for this particular website. You offer 4 different plans, which is the free, the creator plan, the business plan, and the enterprise. So talking about the free plan, it is absolutely free but limited access to voice and features. But on the creators plan, you pay nothing less than $19 per month, and also give access to a basic voice and the features. And the business plan, which is $66 per month, which unlock AI voice and which unlocks all voice with AI voice cloning and video editing tools. And back to the last plan, which is the enterprise plan, which offer a custom price and offer advanced features and support for large team. And here's the key pros about this platform. So talking about the pros and the cons of this platform. So the pro is amazing. They offer a amazing realistic voice with a user-friendly interface and a powerful customization option with an excellent for voiceover. So talking about the downside, which is the pro or cons of this platform, it can be expensive for individuals. So if you're an individual, you may find it a little bit expensive for you to afford, and voice cloning has a learning curve. So if you want to use this, you have to take your time to understand how it works, take your time to study and learn how to use it. And also it has a limited free trial option. So that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.